Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create alternative edging to your hexagon cardigan sleeves if you don't like the ribbed look. This is the usual way to finish off your sleeves on your cardigan, but sometimes, especially if you're working with a very chunky yarn, you might like to finish your sleeves slightly differently and avoid making ribbon altogether. So I have now made my sleeve the length I would like it to be, and I'm going to add 2 more rows just to finish off and get a pretty edging to my work, but I'm not going to add any ribbon to the sleeve. So let's join the last round together, and we're going to do the base round first. So chain 1 and make a single crochet into each double crochet stitch of the final round of my sleeve. So just working all the way around, making 1 single crochet into each stitch, and that just gives us a nice round to work into when we're doing our border edging round. When you get back to where your round started from, we're going to join this round with a slip stitch into the very first single crochet you made, and now we're going to start our pretty edging. So chain 1 and slip stitch into the next stitch, and then again chain 1 and slip stitch into the next stitch. And this is what we are going to do all the way around. So chain 1 and slip stitch, chain 1 and slip stitch. It's very easy and it seems like you're not really doing a lot, but it gives a really nice result, which I will show you when I go all the way around. It looks a little bit like reversed single crochet, the crab stitch, but it is a lot easier to do. And when you get all the way around, just finish off with the last slip stitch and fasten off your yarn. And you'll see you have created a beautiful border to finish off your work nicely. You can use the same border around the body of your cardigan as well if you prefer. And here's a comparison, so you can either have a ribbed edge or a nice clean border edge. Thank you for watching.